Oh, hello friends. Uh, I was doing a live team. I was doing some trivia at Tampa downtown, and I got, as a result of winning that team name, this Yelp bag. On the front it says Yelp reviews local food and non-fresh, and let's find out what's inside of it. Okay, first things first, we have a t-shirt that says I love Yelp. Yep, I love Yelp. And then we have these gloves. I'm gonna try to put them in here first. Now these gloves have the word life on one, glove and Yelp on the other glove, and they're perfect for winter. Next we have this Yelp sticker that I'm gonna put right there on the tablet. A new tablet I just got last Thursday. Then we got these Yelp playing cards, which says win some, lose some, or Yelp them all. Perfect for poker or for playing a good old-fashioned card tricks, in my opinion. Alright, next is this Yelp bookmark. It has all the quotes of William Shakespeare, Charles Dickens, and Robert Frost, and Elizabeth Browning. And on the back it has the definition of it and some words to look up. Alright, we have these. Alright, next is this. Next are these cool Yelp sunglasses when you go outside on a hot day whenever it's sunny out. Next is this thing right there. This is called a Yelp, what is this? This is called the Yelp underwear. It says make me Yelp. I don't know what it is, but it is underwear. Alright, next is this card that says take Yelp with you. It says right there on the front, and on the back it's back on what it says right there. Alright, next is this rainy day superhero kit, and it says here activate the power to banish weather boredom. Kit includes one user generated elemental barrier. And whenever it's raining real bad, you need to wear this, especially in the springtime and fall. Alright, next, hand sanitizer. Why? Because you need it whenever you go somewhere. Next is this fine looking glass, a fine looking Yelp glass. It has 5 stars, and it's pretty cool, and it has a drinking straw to go with it. Alright, and I have one more. I'm gonna unbox it and tell you what it is. It's the opposite of glass, a plastic cup. Yep, it's a Yelp plastic cup. And there you go. Alright, your very own, my very own Yelp bag of stuff. Good night.